So I'm scrolling TikTok, like always, a few weeks ago, and I see one of those day in the life of a teacher things. And one of the routines that the teacher was doing was turning on her air purifier. And I was like, that is genius. Why have I never thought to have an air purifier in my classroom? I have one in my home. I especially need one in my classroom. So I just got one, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. You probably can't even hear it going. It's that quiet. So this one is from Oval Air, and it matches my classroom perfectly. I've never seen such a beautiful air purifier. Let me turn you around and show you all about it. Okay, so this is the Oval Air Purifier, and even if you're not looking for one for your classroom, they have the most beautiful like wood colors that you can get on the front of it too, but white matched my classroom perfectly. So I just got the white one. It is so sleek and thin. I'll probably keep it pushed back and it's not getting in the way at all. Quite a few things I absolutely love about it. First is the timer. Anything electrical that I have in my classroom, I want to have a timer on just in case I forget to turn it off. You never know, but just kind of a liability purposes, I want to be able to turn it off when we're not here. It has a sleep setting so that it gets quieter, like if I really need it, like so I can make it almost completely silent, like if we're testing, I don't want to turn it off. Something I was so blown away by as I was reading the manual is how long the filters last. 1 to 2 years and 3 to 5 years. That's insane because we all know I can barely remember to change the air filter in my house. Nonetheless, one in my classroom. So I am so excited for this. So I am so excited about that addition to my room. I'm excited for my air to be purified. All the germs, all the smells, be gone.